Hi, I'm Chef D, and today it's all about Bothwell cheese. Won't you join me for this simple, easy recipe? The newest product to the Bothwell family is the smoked Parmesan. So I wanted to do something a little bit different, and now that we're coming into holiday season and Christmas season and all that, this is a great entertaining idea. So we've grated our smoked Parmesan, Bothwell smoked Parmesan. I'm gonna place a little bit on our parchment lined baking sheet, and you'll notice that I put 2 knives on the sides. I just don't want the parchment to be blowing around. We have the convection on in our oven. So we're gonna place this all over. I have the oven preheated at 375 degrees. While the crisp is baking in the oven, I'm gonna start on our chutney. It's about 4 minutes that it's gonna take. We'll look at it at about 3-minute mark. Let's gonna turn our pan on to warm it up. I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of sesame oil. I have some salt, I have some chipotle. I'm gonna add in half a cup of onion, half a cup of diced pear, 1 clove of diced garlic, a little bit of chipotle, about a half a teaspoon if you're keeping track, and we're just gonna hit it with just a little bit of salt. Give it a quick stir. And we're just gonna go until it's translucent. Two tablespoons of marmalade. Take it off the heat, we're just gonna let it cool. So using the Bothwell smoked Parmesan cheese, we've made the crisps. They're about 4 minutes in. You want them to get them nice and dark. Well, golden brown is probably better terminology. And the great thing about this is you're looking for a gluten-free option. This is a gluten-free option for you. Take our crisp, and then we have some pear chutney. On the crisp it goes. Bothwell smoked Parmesan crisp with a pear chutney. It really doesn't get much better than this. For this recipe and many more videos, go to bothwellcheese.com.